Mackenzie Catherine and Mitchell Christian. Today, you are surrounded by your family and friends in the presence of God, all whom have gathered to witness your hand fasting, the exchange of vows, and the sealing of those vows with your rings.
It truly makes my heart so happy to see this couple together. From high school, not knowing what you guys wanted, to young adults crazy in love, raising pets, and owning a home together. I knew then, and I know now, that you guys are made for each other. I'll never forget when Mackenzie met Mitch, and she was telling me all about this cute boy she met in gym class. Little did we know, many years later, she'd be marrying her best friend.
Mackenzie Catherine and Mitchell Christian, do you wish to tie the knot and join these two families together as one in you? Mitchell Christian, will you share in Mackenzie Catherine's pain and seek to alleviate it?
I will.
Mackenzie Catherine, will you share in Mitchell Christian's pain and seek to alleviate it?
I will.
And so the binding is begun. Mitchell Christian, will you share in Mackenzie Catherine's dreams?
I will.
Mackenzie Catherine, will you share in Mitchell Christian's dreams? And so the binding is made. All the thing. I present you Mitchell and Mackenzie Connor. You may now kiss your bride.
May your mornings bring joy and your evenings bring peace. May your troubles grow few as your blessings increase. May the saddest day of your future be no worse than the happiest day of your past. May your hands be forever clasped in friendship. Your lives are very special. God touched us all in many ways and touched them today. May his blessings rest upon us and fill all of their coming days. Amen.
I didn't know at this time that she would be marrying the person of her dreams. And I just want to wish you guys the best and all the love in the world from the entire bridal party, that you guys are amazing together, and I wish you the best of luck your entire lives together.
I met Mitch, really, back in 10th grade. He was in 10th grade, I was in 11th. I had his back, he had my back. Both of y'all love each other, and y'all just wish y'all luck.
Your love story has been an inspiration. From hard times to good times, you two always stick by each other's side. God knew what he was doing when he put you two together. Here's to the both of you guys. I wish you forever of happiness and love, and I love you guys.